Hi, I'm Matt, the in-house Reindeerflightologist here at Red Pepper, and welcome to another edition of Touch on Tech, where we cover the latest uses of emerging technology and share it with you. Black Friday just happened, and retailers all over the world were jockeying for who can have the best deal ever. And guess who ended up winning? Cards Against Humanity. Not only did they have the best deal ever, it was 99% off of everything. And what's brilliant about this is that Cards Against Humanity doesn't care if they lose tons of money doing this. They're giving away $20 bills for 20 cents. That's 99% off. So if you sell all your things for 99% off, you just might be the talk around the town. Deals, deals. So the news is great, but in China, they've just upgraded their news with an AI newscaster, and people are freaking out. So what appears to be a normal human news anchor is not. It's actually an AI that's been rendered to look like an actual news anchor that can read anything. I just wonder what normal human newscasters think about this. Are they upset? Are they angry? Are they freaked out? Are all of us going to be replaced by AIs? No. Do you have nails? Because I do. What if you could see what kind of different colors look cool on your nails anytime you want? Well, L'Oreal has a new augmented reality app that lets you hold your hand in front of it and it'll change your nails into whatever you want. Maybe you want Minnie Mouses, maybe you want blue, maybe you want orange. You can see a preview of exactly what they'll look like before you take the time to get your nails did. What they did was train a neural network on 10,000 different nails so that next time the AI sees a nail in a video frame, it can identify it and then put a 3D map on it and then overlay any color or image it wants to on it. So what else would this tech be good for? Well, maybe you're at the fashion store and you see a shirt that you like and it's in red, and maybe you wanted to see what it looks like in blue or lavender. Well, you just hold up your phone and there you go. That's what it's going to look like. Do you want this one or not? Now you're a color. Do you like eyeballs? So if you happen to be on Twitter lately, you may have noticed some very obscure tweets going out from the actual Twitter account. Stuff like, wow, or that's embarrassing, with no context. Track this down. I found out what they're doing with these tweets. They're actually sending them to New York. They're sending them to Times Square and displaying them in the middle of Times Square, which is really cool when you're actually sending real-time data to a billboard. So instead of static old billboards, you could have billboards that are alive, that pull in real data from the internet, that you can update whenever you want. And if you've got a really good social media coordinator that likes to type clever stuff, it shows up there as well. Done. So do you ever feel like your dogs don't get as much love around the holiday season? Well, Caesar's here to fix that. Caesar's going to create a tool that lets your dog design its own sweater, so it gets a gift it's really going to love. Caesar built an entire obstacle course for these dogs to go through. Each station does a specific thing in the design of the sweater. So the first station, depending on how fast your dog runs, makes it a certain color. So with some of the other stations, like the wags per minute and the wolf waves, which is my personal favorite, your dog can bark and then the system will turn that into a wave form and add it onto the sweater sleeves. Now, thanks to Caesar's technology, your dog can be the star of the next tacky sweater Christmas party. Well, that's it for another edition of Touch on Tech. Thanks for stopping by and spending some time with us, and we hope to see you next time on another edition of Touch on Tech.